Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday. They should be shipping out the chickens that I ordered today, which means I'll probably get them tomorrow. I don't know if I'll have to pick them up from the post office or not. So today what I'm going to be doing is setting up the area of where the chickens are going to go. I'm going to put them right here next to the RV. I'm going to set up the electric fence here and put the chickshaw in there. Sorry I haven't filmed or anything in a while. Everything on the homestead has just been pretty much the same old, mowing, watering. Nothing much has been going on with the plants. Look at that Swiss chard, killing it. Look at the butter crunch lettuce. I've just kind of let it grow. Oh, there's a mesquite tree growing in the middle of it. All the lettuce is doing great in the middle of it all though. The grass is just a little bit crazy out here. I think I mentioned in the last video we're looking into some landscaping fabric. I got about a week until mom comes in, so I'm just gonna kind of let the garden go and we're gonna restart with landscape fabric on a new plot. I don't want to say I've given up or anything. I don't know, the grass is a little crazy to keep up with, so we're gonna get some landscaping fabric and then that will help an insane amount with the weeds. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the fence first to see how long it is, the section, and then I'm gonna take the lawnmower and I'm gonna mow around the edges since I don't have a weed eater right now. I'm also a bit nervous because I am alone and I'm going to be getting chickens and I don't know how it's gonna go at all. So I'm a little bit nervous about that. I'm scared that they're gonna fly out and I'm not gonna be able to control them. But it's just a learning experience and I'm gonna have to deal with it. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so there's the little paddock that I have set up for the chickshaw and the chickens. Just hooked up the Energizer and I'm testing it. And it's hitting 8. So that is awesome. What's up, guys? Just came back from Home Depot. Got some wire. That will be for the garden because I still have not created a system where the plants can grow up on a wire or any paneling. I haven't gotten that yet. So what I got was, I forgot I needed to set up a dust bath. So I got a container for the dust bath with some DE in it and some sand. Basically what a dust bath is a place where the chickens can go and shake some dirt on them, and that just gets the mites and the ticks and everything off of their body. And then I got some straw for the nesting boxes. With those items, I think we're completely ready for the chickens. They are at UPS right now. They're being shipped over. So we'll get them tomorrow pretty much. It's looking good over there. It's gonna be exciting to see chickens in there. So that'll be cool. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Oh, I am tired. But I just got a phone call from the Kearns post office, and they let me know that that I have 4 boxes of live animals in the post office that are available to pick up after 8. It's currently about 7:20. So I'm going to go ahead and set everything up in the chickshaw, the water, get all that ready, and then I'll go pick them up and bring them back home. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. So I set up their dust bath, I got their water in there, and I put straw in the nesting boxes. Guys, this is insane. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Like, what is going on? I'm about to get chickens in here. Oh, okay. Okay guys, I'm here and it actually just turned 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna go in and get the chickens. This is insane. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Wow, oh my gosh. Okay, it's happening. We're getting chickens, guys. They're here. And I'm gonna go bring them home. Wow, okay, here we go. Good morning. Hi. Good, how are you?
Good, how can I help?
I'm just here to pick up some 4 boxes. Yeah.
Do you have some ID?
Yes, I do.
The one that called you. So you were all excited. I love when you call and people get all excited. Okay, Jared.
Yes.
Hold on a moment. Do you have a vehicle?
Yes, right up here in front.
Should I just have them come to the back door? It'd be easier because they're heavy. So yeah, you want to come to the back door and I'll just do that?
Sure. Babies. Guys, they're freaking chickens, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, we are back home and I got the chickens in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload them right now and bring them to their new home. I don't know if you can hear them. Hello. Hello. Okay guys, here's the first box. Hi! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Come on out! Hi! Come here. Can I pick you up? Come here. Whoa! Hi! You ready to come out? Hi! Hi. Ready to come out? Come here. Oh, there you go. Hi. Excuse me. You ready to come out? Oh, hello. Welcome. Okay. Go down. Go down. Go down. Come on. Okay, here we go. New friend. You ready to come out? Okay, I just need to be confident and grab it, okay? Okay, I'm gonna be confident. I'm just gonna grab you, okay? I'm confident, I'm confident, I'm confident. Yay! Okay. confident and just grab it. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Hi. Hi. Oh, oh, it's confident in itself. Oh, you just landed on your sister. Okay, so I'm gonna give them about 3 pounds of feed. Wow, that's a lot. It's more than they should. Each bird should get 1/3 of a pound of food a day. So I have 7 birds, so I should be feeding them 2.5 pounds, and this is 3. This is 3, so it's plenty. I'm giving them extra just because they've been traveling, and they might need some extra food. Hi, here's your food. There you go. Guys, this is so amazing. So we have the 7 chickens here. The chicken operation is operational. It's working. It's just so cool. Like, I can't stop just watching them. Like, I actually have chickens here on the farm. So you can tell the difference between the Rhode Island Reds and the Easter Eggers, because the Rhode Island Reds are like this really dark red color, and the Easter Eggers are this brown, kind of orangish with the mixed into the gray back there. There's 2 of those, so that's gonna be really cool. I believe the Rhode Island Red are brown egg layers, so we're gonna get a lot of brown eggs. And then the cool thing about the Easter Eggers, the reason they're called Easter Eggers is because they lay eggs kind of like Easter eggs, different colors. It's amazing to have these birds on the land. We got chickens out here. It's amazing. I can't believe it. So cool. Okay, so I got some cleaning up to do. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. Let the chickens just kind of settle in. A lot of people that I've talked to say to let them stay in the coop overnight. That's just to allow them to realize that that's their new home. And then I'll let them out tomorrow morning. But they're gonna be fine in there. They got plenty of food, they got water, and they got enough shelter space. And they're secure in there. So I'll let them be in there for a while, and then tomorrow we will let them out onto the grass for the first time. Well guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. It's just awesome to have them here, guys. Tomorrow I will videotape them coming out of the coop for the very first time and onto fresh grass. This will be the first animal that we have put out here, besides the cows that were here before. They weren't ours. These are our first ever animals to have out here on the homestead. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like the video, comment whatever you'd like to comment, and if you'd like to subscribe, that'd be awesome. Thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.